Hello everyone and welcome back to 31 Days of Better Photoshop Design. I have just got back from a trip to California and I was at the Grammys Live screaming my head off, so I'm a little bit hoarse, so please excuse my voice, but we're going to continue on with this little demonstration anyway. I'm going to show you today how to create a clickable image, and a lot of people ask me, how do I create an image where you hover and people are able to click on the links in the image? And that's what we're going to be doing today. You can see here I have my little icons for my social media networks and an email address, and I'm going to show you how to link those. The first thing you want to do is have your links ready, and as you can see here in my browser, I have all of my links open. So we're going to start here with Facebook. All I'll do is simply copy it and then I'll come back to Photoshop. Now I'm going to grab my slice tool and then I'm going to carve out the Facebook area. And it defaulted to this size, but if I want to make that a little bit wider, I can just come here and pull that out a little bit more. So now I'm going to go over and do all the rest of the icons. You'll want to create all of your slices first, and you can see you just drag out and create your slices with the tool according to the area that you need to slice. So that is all that I'm going to do. If I wanted to, I could also link this, and I think I will do it. Okay, so now I've got my Facebook. I've got the URL already copied. So what I'll do now is I'll come here to my crop tool and I'll right click, come down here to the slice select, and then I'm going to select Facebook, and then I'll right click and I'll edit my slice options, or I can simply double click right here, and then you see it has a URL and name. I can name this Facebook, and then I just Control V to paste that link in there. And then here you can say if you wanted to open in a new window, the existing window, or you can just leave it blank for default, which is what I'm going to do. And you could say, and this would be the alt tag. If someone hovers over this, they will see this text pop up. Okay, so now I'll go and get my Instagram. And then Twitter. I don't really tweet much. I kind of gave up on that a long time ago, but occasionally I'll make a tweet every now and again. I forgot to do my Pinterest, so I'm going to leave that blank for now, but you get the idea. Actually, let's see what I got right here. I'm going to use DSB Pinterest. And then here you have an email address. So that would be a little bit different. For an email address, you would simply come here and instead of a URL, you would type mail to : and then put your email address. And then here, I will just link to my blog. And then once you're done, and I am done at this point, you can see you have all your slices made. They're all clickable. If you want, you can go back and verify just by double clicking and going in and making sure you have everything as you want it to be. And when you're satisfied with that, you'll just come here to File, and then you'll click Save for Web and Devices. And here it's going to ask you, do you want to use a preset? No. You want to set your quality somewhere between 70 and 80. I'm going to go up to 80, and that's very high. I leave it optimized. And then I will come down here and I will click Save. And now it's asking me where do I want to save it, and I'm going to save it right here in this folder. And it's going to ask you how you want to name it, and I'm going to name it the same thing as my image. And then here you want to make sure that you have HTML and images selected, and I'm going to leave it at default and make sure that all slices are selected, and then click Save. Then you'll come here to your folder where you've saved your images, and here you can see I have the HTML file, and inside here it has saved all the images. Now I have other images in here because I didn't save to a separate folder, so make sure you do that. But anyway, I have all my images here and all of my slices, and these are the ones you can see that are available for the image that I sliced up. And here is the HTML file. So if I double click on this, or I could just choose Open With, and I'll choose Firefox, you can see that I have my image, and if I hover over it, all of these images are now live and clickable. So if I click here, it will take me to my Facebook page or my blog. And then all you would need to do is upload all of the images to your server and copy and paste the HTML code. So if you want to find out what the code is, you could just open this file in your HTML editor, or you could right click and choose View Page Source, and it tells you the source right here. So all you would need to do is right click, select all, copy, and then paste this text into your page. And there you have created a clickable signature. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, hoarse voice and all. I'll see you back again for the next series in 31 Days to Better Photoshop Design. And remember, if you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. Bye.